some of the gear out, otherwise I put that for a ride.
Can I ask you who makes this?
I think it's Robbe.
Is it a Robbe kit?
They don't make them anymore.
They don't?
They stopped for years and years and
Oh,
years
what a shame.
One of those, like we were saying, everybody at one stage had a Sloopy Fast Electric and a Sea Jet.
What a shame. They'd sell them like hotcakes if they made them.
They did, and then they moved on, and everybody who wanted one had got one, and
What a shame.
you can still find them on eBay.
Oh, I might have to look one up. Looks great.
Robbe SEA JET.
Is that a brushed motor or brushless?
He's got still got his brush. He's telling me he's still got his brush motor in there. But he swapped the NiCad batteries or the nickel
For a LiPo.
iPod. He's got LiPo, so it's lightened it.
And what, 3 cells? 2 cells.
You don't forget they were built to go around on 7.2 volts, which is two LiPos. But now, given the much lower weight, it's like a lot of us. The less weight we carry, the better we move.
The funny thing is that a friend of mine had a boat very similar to this, and now we've got the faster motor in this on 2 cells, and his had a slower motor on 3 cells.
Yeah.
And I even worked out the speed of the motors and everything, and the RPM is virtually the same.
Same. So you might as well go 2 cells then, for the lower weight.
When you steer it, you see the props get very close.
Oh yeah. Really?
So,
No wonder it's so agile in the water.
They do hit occasionally.
And they're very dry as well, because all your is under the seat.
Yes.
So you haven't got this problem of more than half a mile of, waterproof tape and heaven knows what else, because everything is in a very nice, safe, dry place.
I have tipped it over a few times.
Well, if you do that with it, then...
More power, less weight. I mean, there's
Can I ask you just to stand there with holding it, just for a quick shot? That's brilliant. Thank you very much. Enjoyed that. Brilliant demo.
Is it going to end up on Facebook or
On
something?
YouTube? Essential RC YouTube channel.
Oh, right. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to see if we can put a link onto Mayhem. And we can...
Oh, definitely. I'll post it on Mayhem, yeah.
I could have